In this video, you'll learn how to collect data from Moltbook efficiently. By following these steps, you will be able to gather all necessary information and create an XLS file from your profile. Begin by navigating to the OpenClaw control interface. This can usually be done by entering the relevant URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard with various options displayed. Next, locate and click on the prompt section. This area allows you to input commands or requests. After clicking, a text box should appear ready for you to type your command. Type in the command, collect all data from my Moltbook profile. Ensure that you enter the phrase exactly as shown. This command is critical as it initiates the data collection process from your Moltbook profile. Once you've entered the command, click on the send button. This button is usually located beside the text box. After clicking, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. After a brief moment, you will receive a message stating, "Done. I created a Moltbook profile data collector. This message confirms that the data collector has been successfully created. You can proceed once this message appears." Next, you will see an option that says, if you want, I'll push this commit now. This is an additional prompt giving you the choice to proceed with the next step. You can choose to accept or decline based on your preference. To continue, click on the option that says Create Excel's file. This action will initiate the process of generating an Excel file containing the collected data. Wait for a moment as the system prepares the file. After the file is created, you will again need to click on the Send button to finalize the creation of the XLS file. This step is crucial for ensuring that your data is saved properly. Finally, you will see a message stating, "Done, I created the XLS file here," followed by a link or location of the file. This indicates that your data has been successfully compiled into an Excel document and is now ready for you to download. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.